The Iraq War, one of the most controversial conflicts of the 21st century, a war that changed the Middle East forever. But why did it happen? What were the consequences? And was it really worth it? Let's break it down. Why did the U.S. invade Iraq? It all started in 2003. The U.S., under President George W. Bush, launched an invasion of Iraq. The reason? They claimed Iraq had weapons of mass destruction, WMDs, and ties to terrorist groups like Al-Qaeda. The world was still recovering from 9/11, and the U.S. wanted to prevent another attack. But here's the problem. Those WMDs were never found. The fall of Saddam Hussein. Within weeks, the U.S. military toppled Saddam Hussein, Iraq's dictator. He was later captured, tried, and executed in 2006. But removing Saddam didn't bring peace. Instead, it unleashed chaos. Chaos and insurgency. After the invasion, Iraq fell into civil war. Different groups fought for power: Sunni and Shia militias, terrorists, and even foreign fighters. This led to the rise of ISIS, one of the deadliest terror organizations in history. The cost of war. The war lasted until 2011, when the U.S. withdrew. But the cost? Over 200,000 Iraqi civilians killed, thousands of U.S. soldiers lost, trillions of dollars spent, and Iraq, still struggling with violence and instability today. Outro. So, was it worth it? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more history content.